Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to transfer from Paysafecard to a bank account. Let's get started. Open your browser and search for Transfer Bay. Double check the legitimacy before proceeding. After that, click Get Started. Then enter your 16-digit Paysafecard PIN, enter your PayPal email, and choose your currency and amount. Then click Exchange. This will send the balance from Paysafecard to your PayPal account. Then, log into your PayPal account. Go to Wallet, then click Withdraw. Select your linked bank account. Enter the amount and confirm. Make sure you trust any third-party site you use. TransferBay or similar services are not official. Always proceed with caution. Use only if you're confident in the process and the platform's legitimacy. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.